Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mismatch right here, and basically what these are some fiberglass chopsticks. And for the one that we got right here is from two different brands. One is from a brand called GLAMFIELDS, which is this one right here. Where for this one right here is from a brand called Hiware. And basically for both of these are fiberglass material, but supposedly for the one that I got right here from the GLAMFIELDS brand, they actually mentioned how the product is actually heat resistant up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit. Where for this one right here is heat resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. But definitely for both of these, they are dishwasher safe and you can definitely use a hand wash as well. And also the way how they design both of these chopsticks right here, it has like a non-slip design. So that way when you guys do the bottom part of the chopstick, it shouldn't slip. So first thing I should open the product to show you guys what each one looks like first. So start with this one right here first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like here. You can see how the product is all nicely wrapped up in this little bag right here. So let's take it out first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically actually looks right here. So basically for this set right here, give you guys 10 pairs of chopsticks and they're all the same design. So you see on the top part right here, they have like a Sakura design on top. And the bottom part right here, if you guys look very carefully, they do have like a non-slip design in the bottom. So that way when you guys do chopstick to grab stuff, it shouldn't slip off as easy. But definitely when you guys feel the overall chopstick right here, it feels really nice and very smooth. And definitely when you guys feel the overall weight of the actual chopstick, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it compared to like normal bamboo chopsticks. But this is basically actually looks like for the one that we got right here from the Hiware brand. So you definitely have a lot of chopstick inside right here. So they did provide guys 10 pairs inside right here. Now I'm actually open the other one to show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so once you guys take out the other one from the GLAMFIELDS brand, this actually looks right here. So you see for the one that we got right here, it actually has like a silver design. They do have a lot of other design for this brand in particular. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which kind of design you guys want. But basically for this set right here, it gives you guys 10 pairs as well. So I'm actually take out one pair to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So this part right here is basically like the silver design that I mentioned. And we actually see the bottom part right here, we do have like the non-slip design. So once you guys use the chopstick to grab stuff, it definitely will not slip off as easy. If you guys look carefully the way how they designed the middle part right here, it definitely have a very nice design. So that way when you guys use it, you guys won't feel any pain because of the way how they designed this part right here in the middle. And obviously when you guys use chopsticks, there's many ways to actually hold it. The way that I hold it is this way right here. It might not be the correct way, but this way works for me. So when I want to grab stuff, I just go like that. And basically same thing applies to the other one right here as well. If I just grip it right here, then see how it doesn't slip off because of the non-slip material that's on here. But definitely when you guys feel both of the chopsticks right here, it definitely has a bit of weight to it compared to like your normal wooden or bamboo chopsticks. And when you guys listen to the material on here, you can definitely hear the high quality fiberglass that's on here. So when you guys put both of them side by side, this actually looks right here. So this is basically what the top part looks like. Here is the middle part, and then here is the bottom part right here. So see for this pair right here actually has a longer non-slip design, whereas for this one here has a shorter non-slip design. But I feel like when you guys actually feel the material on here, I feel like the bottom one from the GLAMFIELDS brand actually has a better non-slip design compared to the top one right here. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go test this out with some food or fruits, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have both chopsticks. Let me just test it out to show you guys how it works. So we'll test out this one first. So I just use it to grab stuff. You can see how well it works. So definitely the non-slip material on here, it definitely does work. So that way when you guys are grabbing stuff, it won't slip off as easy. Whereas for the other one right here, you can see when you guys grab stuff on here, it definitely has a very good design on here where the product won't slip off as easy, which is definitely pretty nice and very convenient. But definitely when I use both of these right here, both of them definitely does work. But something about the way how they design like the non-slip material on here, it feels a lot better, even though this side right here is much longer. But definitely when you see when she tested out, both of them it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So next, a quick test of the product definitely actually does work and she works quite well. So definitely for both of these chopsticks right here, it definitely works really well. But like I mentioned earlier, when I actually test out the product, I feel like the one from the GLAMFIELDS brand actually works a lot better because it actually has like a better non-slip design on there. So that way when you guys grab stuff, it won't slip off as easy compared to the other one. And there's something about the way how they designed the GLAMFIELDS chopstick that actually has like a better grip when you guys are using on the side compared to the other one from the Hiware brand. But I'm not saying the one from the Hiware brand is not good. That one's actually really good as well. It's just something about the way how they designed the GLAMFIELDS chopstick actually feels and looks better. But definitely for both of the chopsticks right here, it definitely works pretty well when you guys are using to grab stuff like sushi, sashimi, fruits, food, or whatever. So for both of these chopsticks right here, they mentioned how when you guys actually use it, it shouldn't have any odor or stains or whatever over time compared to like using like the wooden chopsticks or bamboo chopsticks. And obviously if it's your first time using a product, you definitely want to hand wash it with some warm water and soap before you guys use it to make sure it's clean. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for both of these chopsticks right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you got one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality fiberglass chopsticks that has a non-stick design on here. They can basically use at home, in office, in a restaurant, or anywhere else. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.